Hey buddies, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to switch the personal account on Instagram. The first thing you need to do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile and then go to your profile page and tap on these three dashes in the top right corner. After selecting this, you will see these options. You have to go for settings. Then you are going to scroll down until you see the option preferences. You are going to tap on preferences, then scroll down a little bit and you will see switch account type. That's the second last option at the bottom of the page. You are going to tap on that. Then you will see switch to personal account. You can simply tap on that. Then you will see switch to personal account. When you switch back to personal account, in app insights will be turned off. You can simply tap on switch to personal account again, and that's it. That's how you can change a business account back to a personal account on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.